Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the May 2017 AQA GCSE 8300 series. That's the first paper in the foundation tier. It's a non-calculator paper and we're picking up in question 7. It says, by rounding each number to the nearest 10, estimate the answer to 61 times 47 divided by 102. You must show your working. This is actually more important than ever actually, because I just checked with the answer guide, and even if you got the right answer, if you didn't show any working out, they would actually give you 0 marks. So you get 1 mark for correctly rounding each number to the nearest 10. So that's 60, because 61 is smaller than 65, so it rounds down to 60, times 47. Now 47 is bigger than 45, so it rounds up to 50. And that's all divided by 102 is less than 105, so it rounds down to 100. And why do I keep saying 5s in the units column? Well, because it says round each number to the nearest 10. So the 10's place is here, the 6, the 4, and this 0 here. And it's the one after that that has to be a 5 or less, 5 or more to round up, or less than 5 to round down. So you get your 1 mark for just 60 times 50 over 100. And then if you can get that one right, well, I would simply cancel that 0 from that, and that 0 from that, and that anything divided by 1 is itself, so forget the 1. So the answer is just 6 times 5, which is 30. And that's your 2 marks. If you'd have got 30 without showing this, you would have got 0 marks. And now for a word of warning. If you hadn't read or hadn't understood this by rounding each number to the nearest 10 part, and you hadn't got this estimate, you might have been tempted to try and do this as a calculation, and you could have wasted a lot of time on a calculation like this: 61 times 47. Okay, well 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 6 is 42. Then put down a 0, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 6 is 24, and that comes to 2867. That's good, and that would be the right answer, but it would have got you 0 marks. And even if you'd have gone ahead and done something that would have really been quite impressive, especially on a foundation tier, 2867 divided by 102. I mean, if you did this, I mean, this is just showing off, but 102 is into 2867, that's going to go twice. 2 times 102 is 204. Take that away, well the 2's cancel, so you've just got 82. Bring down the 7, well that's going to go 8 times. 8 times 102 is 816, because 2 times 8 is 16. 8 times 100 is 800. So take that away, that leaves what? 11. So the exact answer is 28 and 11 over 102, or 11 102nds. That may be the exact answer to this question, but the examiners aren't asking for the exact answer. They're not saying calculate, and they're not saying the exact answer. So if you'd have written 28 and 11 over 102 without a calculator, as impressive as that would be, that would have gotten you 0 marks. And the time you've spent doing that could have been spent on a different question, hoovering up marks. So this is a really good warning to read the question carefully. The answer they're looking for is 60 times 50 over 100, and the answer is 30, and that would have gotten you your 2 marks. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.